Actually, I'm Deban Mazumdar. I did my BTech in chemical engineering from SRM University, Chennai. So even in during the college times, I used to visit Taiwan Education Center. So for my basic Mandarin classes. So over there, like I really got the idea that what Taiwan is, like their culture, their experiences, and I got to interact with a lot of Taiwanese students over there. And like it made me wonder that what one could have if one visits that country and like experience the like the culture, the research on like one-on-one basis. So that made me like take my first step towards higher education in Taiwan. I really wanted to pursue that. Even though, as Lin ma'am said, like there were biases, like people asked me like why Taiwan, why not any other country like US and all. So apart from the monetary reasons, what Lin ma'am focused on that, like there would be loans, or like we need a subsequent budget for US. It's not only about that, like you can get the Taiwanese degree at a cheaper cost, but the quality, like when I interacted with the students, the way they expressed their research, what like what they were doing, that really fascinated me. That if this is what the thing, even my friends from US, when like I interacted with them, I consulted them that okay, I'm going for Taiwan, like how to approach for the higher education. Even they said that they are in the similar fields like chemical engineering, and they are also doing research over there. They also agreed to the fact that they are reading the research papers published by the Taiwanese universities. Like it's it's coming back to the same point. Like I'm going to the core. That's what. And for this enthusiasm, I joined the Taiwan. I got to know about Educate Taiwan through their webinars and all. And I attended two of them. And I was sure that, like they are the right people for me. Currently, I'm working. I got since the past 2 years. And to be honest, after my working hours, I am totally exhausted at the end of the day. So that's where, like Lynn ma'am and Ishali ma'am, they come into picture. They help me a lot. They like whatever I write, they check it like accordingly, and they make it in such a way that like the professors, like when they read, they get to know about me in limited. They don't have time, the professors anywhere, they don't have time that they would read passages about you. So they make it crisp with all the info like about me, which is what like you can expect from them. That's what. And it's not like that Lin ma'am would like like they just like okay, this is a student, they like she really guides me into the all the thing that okay, Deban, this is what could be good for you, and what do you think about it? They always prioritize what you think, like they can guide you. At the end of the day, it's like your decision. Like they won't force you at anything, okay, this is what is the best thing. They always take, like when I am having a second thought about it, I always like Lin ma'am, what do you think? She always tells in all the like conferences which I have with them that Deban, it's not what I think about you, it's like what you think, what do you want to do. And it's not like that you go there half-heartedly just because I told you. You need to have like interest. And no doubt I have like full faith that I'll be somewhere getting like good. And it's a very matter of like honor that I have been associated with Educate Taiwan for the past 2 months. And I already got a acceptance from like NCKU professor. So I would like I would take this platform to thank like Educare Taiwan, the entire team, Sagrika ma'am, Ishali ma'am, and Lin ma'am, the hard work they put in. It's like even at 11:30 when I like put a message that okay ma'am, this is the thing. So Lin ma'am is always there. She responds within the 5 minutes. Okay, Deban, we'll check into it and we'll get back to you. That's the quality you get from the consultancy services.